Welcome to Osaka. We are in Osaka. It's December 30. We will spend New Year here. Here is Anika. First time natin sa Japan. We will do car spotting in Japan. Look at the truck. Ganda, no? And of course, the iconic Japanese taxi. Napaka-komportable yan. Toyota Crown. So we are in Osaka. We arrived yesterday night. Oh, ang ganda ng G-Wagon, no? Classic. Yan. A proper G-Wagon for you guys. Ganda, no? Daming mga gandang sasakyan sa Japan. Anyway, this is our hotel, Cross Hotel. And Glicoman is just right over there. So malapit na lapit. The weather is like 8 degrees, 9 degrees. Sobrang lamig. Again, this G320, 3.2 liter engine. So mag-car spot na lang tayo dito sa Japan. Napakadaming gandang sasakyan dito sa Japan, no? Here is wifey and her whole family is here. Famous Glicoman. Running Glicoman. Dami tao. I guess everybody will be spending New Year here. Ito, some Japanese taxis for you. Hybrid na. Toyota pa rin. Japan Taxi. Ayan. Siyempre doon tayo sa Crown. Ayun sa likod. Crown. Alright. Dami ring motor dito sa Japan. Kagabi nagre-rev sila. Ito, closer look of the Toyota Crown and Japanese motorcycle. Culture of Japan. Suzuki. Ito, not a bike guy, but ganda. Honda, Suzuki. Ingay. Tayo natin mag-rev. Beautiful Toyota Crown for you. Ganda na mags, oh. Diba? Crown na crown. Lamig ng weather, guys. Oh, nice motor, no? Ingay. Kagabi ganyan din sila. Showing off to the people around. Abakila. Takoyaki. Grabe, oh. Pilahan ng mga tao, oh. Wow. Oh, hanggang dulo. Is it that good? Saka guys, sobrang mura dito ngayon sa Japan, no? Kasi sobrang mura talaga ng pagkain. Kaya now is the time to go kasi bagsak hangin. So still walking along the streets of Osaka. Yan. Alright, so it's January 1st, the first day of January of 2025. It's 12 o'clock, that's our hotel. Kakababa lang namin. I haven't eaten my breakfast. Kasi late kami natapos sa Universal kagabi. 2 AM na kami nakabalik. So right now, there's a Yoshinoya there, down the street. We will eat there. Parang lunch ko na. And para naman authentic Japanese gyudon tayo, no? So babalik kasi kami Universal ngayon. Universal kasi hindi masarap pagkain doon. It's not real Japanese food, no? So while we're here in the city, and there's a lovely Royal. Again, the taxi. Gandang-ganda talaga ako sa Royal na yan, no? And the beautiful Velfire. So, happy January 1st to all of you. Na-miss ko yung countdown yesterday kasi nasa loob kami ng ride sa Nintendo World. So, see you later. I don't know what the plan is. Ganda ng Prius, oh. Bago. Ito mo na may tsura niyan. Wala sa atin yan. Alright. First R35. Ganda, oh. Ganda ng kulay, oh. Beautiful car. So, Godzilla in Japan. Ayos. Buti nakita na tayo. Stock lang. Nice. And I see our first Benz na E-Class. Wait lang. Traffic eh. After this traffic, may Benz dun. Parang E-Class na facelift model na. So 90s. I'm not so sure. Nakatago eh. Pagka nag-move na tong traffic light, then we will be able to see it. Our first E-Class in Japan. Yun, I see it. Parang ano, Ganda, parang sa atin. Oh, nice oh. Formado. I don't know if you guys can see, pero mataw siya. Ganda. Yung headlights niya pre-facelift pa. Nice. Beautiful January 1. Ito pa. Ay hindi, crown pala. Kala ko W140. Ganda na crown, no? Woo! Legit. The famous Yoshinoya with the crazy line. Mabilis lang naman kain dyan eh. But when you're in Japan, it's a must. Yoshinoya, no? Same thick gyudon. We already tried Matsuya. This is our second gyudon house, Yoshinoya. Last would be Sukiya. Ayan, sa dulo kami. Worth it naman yan. And it's value for money. Mura. Right. Found the cool spot at the corner. Tapos with the view of Dotonbori. Digital, syempre. So, I'm actually excited. Ayan, tapos natin. Sukiyaki. Beef sukiyaki.
Uy, maanghang yan. Yung galawin.
Small set.
Ito,
Ito. Ito na lang. Small set. 1.8. So lumalabas 600. Parang 600 pesos less. Murang-mura. And check sukiyaki. Dalawang sukiyaki na yan. So, 400 pesos. So, session na yan. Dapat sa Pilipinas, lumitin. Parang session na sa Pilipinas. Alright. Right. Goodbye, Yoshinoya. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang busog kami. Grabe yun, wild. So, right now, we'll get a taxi yun. Siyempre, for the episode, for Osaka's episode, the Crown. The Toyota Crown. Sakay tayo na, no? Parang the iconic taxi. So, papuntang Universal, maybe about 20 minutes, depending on traffic. So, alright. Kuwala ako ng kape sa hotel. Our hotel is just right over there. Weather, siguro mga 9 degrees. We will ride the Crown. Ganda ng puti. Paugi yung puti. Pero first come ano yata. Siyempre, sa una sa pila. Automatic oh. Boom. Universal Studios. Ganda ng loob oh. Ano yung kumot. Alright. The trunk. We have stroller. Ganda oh. May loob. Ganda ng mags oh. Pogi. 90 siguro to. Late 90s. Grabe yung trunk space oh. Diba? Kasyang-kasya stroller namin. Yan ang Crown. Welcome to the Toyota Crown. Si Kuya nakasuit pa oh. Ganda eh. Taxi driver nakasuit. Yeah. Right, maybe 20 minutes. Oh, ganda na Silverado. American car in Japan. Big boy, but loving the Crown. Automatic. Dati kasi mayroon kami na daddy nito, dalawa. Bumili siya dalawa. 1995. Isang black, isang brown. Yung brown yun yung ginagamit ko, manual with a 2-liter engine. Sobrang reliable, sobrang bulletproof. Malakas lang sa gas. Manual pa yun. Tsaka na total wreck ko nga yun eh. So I was safe. Kasi it's a big car, sedan. Ito. Kaya gusto ko ng Crown. Ngayon mura na lang yan. Ayan, tamo yung side mirror. Ayoko na yung side mirror nasa harapan. Papakita lang ako dun. Mas gusto ko yung nasa gilid, no? Pero very spacious. Tahimik yung engine. Linis ng gauge. So, the first day of 2025 in Japan. Going back to Universal Studios with the family at Tabak Highway. We are in the Skyway. Traffic is good, weather is good. Ganda, no? Nakasuot pa siya. Ayan. Tahimik. The ride is so quiet. Yan ang maganda sa Crown. Smooth na smooth yung ride. We are doing 100 kilometers per hour. Smooth na smooth. Walang vibration. Engine is very quiet. Laki ng front ng side mirror nyo. Kitang kita sa likod. Beautiful car. This Royal, the iconic taxi in Japan. Saka yung pag-maintain nila ng kotse dito, maganda. Sobrang linis na ito. Look at that Delica, lifted. Naka-lift na Delica. Ano? Walang mga marka, walang mga stain. They take care of their cars. Maganda sa Japanese culture, no? They love their cars. Maganda maintenance ng mga taxi nila. Pag dun sa atin yan, kakarag-karag na. Kaya iba talaga. Culture. Sobrang tahimik. Sarap siguro i-drive na ito. I wonder what year model is this. Beautiful bridge. Ayan, no? Port. Nasa port tayo na. Sa dagat na tayo. Ganda ng scenery dito. Taas. Beautiful Osaka. Ganda ng drive, no? So inside the Toyota Crown. Happy New Year. Ayan, dito sa Japan puro hybrid na. Yung Suzuki, Hustler. Ulit ng itsura. Hybrid. Halos lahat ng kotse dito hybrid na. And yung mga trucks, linis lang. Lahat ng trucks nila malinis tingnan. Hindi kakarag-karag, unlike in the Philippines. No? Sa atin puro second hand. Dito iba. Alright. Universal will be on your right. We are here. Para mas mabilis biyahe ngayon kaysa kagabi. And that's the park. Here we go. Ayun, dyan bababa. 6,000. Electric, oh. Boom. With this badge. Beautiful car. Crown. Up. Ayan yung gamit. Excuse. Yan. See, puro Crown. Thank you, Crown. Thank you for the ride. Pala siya, oh. May ibang fuel system. Alright, so that's it. That's the ride. That's the Crown for you guys. So, daddy and daughter, hello. We are about to fly. Fly na! Allah! Fly! Oh! Up, 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 oh, down, 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 up, up, oh, Yee. Down, going up, oop. Oh, oh, hold mo to. Oh, yan oh. Pull, up. Up mo lang, yan. Up, up. Tapos na. Alright. Balik tayo sa crown. Ganda talaga, no? So, on the way to Osaka Castle, using again the crown for you guys. Kamo yung loob. Ganda ng ito. Ganda na ito talaga. Loving the white dot. So, lagi lang yung gamit. Inside. And I think this is LPG. They use LPG. Ayan. Kuya driver assisting us. So, sakay lang kami. Alright, inside. Smells like Yossi. Nag-Yossi to. At mas madumi. Mas sariwa yung inupaan natin kanina. But Osaka Castle is about 3 kilometers away. Lapit lang. Yossi. The crown for you. Gusto ko kasi yung style na yun. Boxy. Tapos classy. Namiss ko tuloy yung lumang crown namin ni Daddy. Mura na lang ngayon yun. Mga 100,000 makakuha ka. Yan. Ganda, no? Simple lang din, no? 90s ata ito eh. Automatic. Saan? Ang Odyssey, oh. Japan spec. The Akambi taxi. Taxi lang sa kanila yun. Sa atin, pang bus na yun. Nakasama na Yossi. Mukhang malakas mag-Yossi. Turning right. Wala pa rin masyadong tao. Hindi ko alam kung holiday.
Holiday ngayon.
Dito? So it's still holiday, January 2. Pero sa atin, I think may pasok na. Kami may pasok na. So I'm on leave. Here's the castle. Second castle. So there's a main castle. Garden.
Green.
Yeah. Green.
Castle.
They're the main. Daming cherry blossom dito, around 600 trees. Pinaikot nila.
Maganda.
Yeah, maganda. You know Tagalog, ha?
Opo, di
The driver knows Tagalog pala. You've been to Philippines?
Hindi.
Hindi. Philippines, beautiful.
Shota.
Shota?
Shota, Filipino.
Shota, Philippine. That's why. His girlfriend is Filipina. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much. Around again of the crown. Ganda ng grill, no? Kahon na kahon. And the mugs. I'm loving the mugs. Classic. Okay, thank you.
Salamat po.
So, here we are in Osaka Castle. Yan, more crown for you guys. The ever reliable Toyota Crown. Okay. So here's the main entrance, oh. Ganda. With the bonsai pine trees. The entrance, tapos of course there's a moat. Moat ba tawag dyan? So the castle is surrounded by water. Parang yan yung defense niya. This is a military tactic defense. Water para hindi makapasok agad doon. The enemies. Kasi history nito is very very rich. The main purpose of the castle, Osaka Castle, was to unify Japan. Back in 1500s. Diyan ginawa yan una. Tapos lots of war. Lots of war happened here. Lots of gera. Dami namatay. Kaya may moat. And there are wild ducks. Rich in history. Ayun, oh, daming cherry blossom. 700 lahat yan. Pag April, ang ganda niya. Picture kami dito sa mga samurai. It's free. Tapos sali ka na lang ng game, 300 yen. To help them out. Shuriken. Ito throw. Like a ninja. What, Shanika? Oop, yun oh. Galing oh. Oh. Para... Oh! Ang layo! Oh, ayun. Play. So, here's Osaka Castle for you. Yan. So much history. Dami tao. Tapos, may mga nagper-perform. Ganda ng castle in person. It's huge. Alright. Alright, taxi na naman. Sa Toyota Hybrid. Palaklaki. Japan Taxi. I don't know ano model. Electric. So, sakay tayo. Kasya ba? Sakay tayo sa loob. Alright. So, just finished the castle. So, ewan ko saan kami pupunta. But we are on a different taxi. Toyota. I don't know what model. Ito, maganda uniform ni Kuya. Naka-uniform. Spacious also. Parang it's a mini MPV. A weird shape. Japan domestic. Same with the crown. Nasa harapan ang side mirrors. Not my style. Pero in fairness, kitang-kita mo. Kitang-kita mo yung gilid. Tsaka yung likod. At the same time. It's a weird car. Automatic. Okay. Building sa Japan, no? Ganda rin itsura, no? First world. Don't know if you can hear the engine, but I can hear her. Mitsubishi Delica. Another weird looking vehicle. Laki na switch ng power window. Ito mo yan. Huge switch. Alright. We are going to a tempura house. May nakita kami malapit dun sa hotel. So try namin. And I'll bring you guys along with me. So Anika is enjoying her life. She likes the cold. Laki. Alright, see you later. There's a huge Puma store. Ayun, brand ko rin yan eh. Puma kasi merong Benz na mga polo. I don't know here kung meron siya. And there's another G-Wagon. Our third G-Wagon for the trip. Puti. Talagang puti eh, no? Very classy.
Sinong lab niya?
Ayan. 3 o'clock, back in the hotel. On our way to Donkey. One of the highlights. Mimili. Ooh, it's a Lambo. Liberty Walk. Nice. Second Lambo actually. May dumaan na kanina. So, buti nakuha natin. Swerte. Lapit lang yung Donkey. It's like a block away. A famous retail shop in Japan na mura. Lahat nandyan. Ito ng Lambo. Liberty Walk. Alright. Famous Don Quixote. Ayan yung Lambo. Nice. Alright. So shopping lang kami dito. And I'll get back to you later. Fourth floor would be electronics. Toys. Ito, dito na pala yung toys. Okay. So nandito lahat ng tao. So fourth floor. So the good stuffs are here. Oh. This floor, mga designer. Louis Vuitton, Gucci's. Ayan. Huwag mo dadalhin asawa mo dito. All for the day. Puro grocery items. Pagkalubong. Paid for the goodies. 15K. Kasi may whiskey. Mrs. ang babayad pa rin. Alright. Alright, 8 o'clock on our way to dinner. Merong NSX ba to? Hindi, ano tawag dito? 180. Nissan 180 right in front of our hotel. RX-7 nakalagay. Ganda oh, Japanese old school. Alright. Sa muffler. JDM, ultimate JDM. Alright. So, we will be headed for dinner. Yakiniku. So, mga grill. I'm quite excited. Siyempre, when in Japan, dapat grilled meat. So, that's what we're gonna do today. And just waiting for the family. Anika is here watching the aquarium. Here we got a Nissan Star Serena. Ganda oh, ganda yung tsura oh. Domestic. Parang mini Alphard ng Nissan. Ganda. Ang gusto ko yung Noah, the one that we rode the other day. Uber. Ganda, mini Alphard. Loving the crown. So tayo-tayo ka lang dito oh, right in front of our hotel, the Cross Hotel. Kasi may stoplight. Marami kang kotse makikita. And I noticed mas maraming BMW kaysa sa Benz. No? So, alright. Car spotting. Ayan naman yung I don't know if you guys can see, but may mga bikers paggabi, marami sila dito nagre-rev at wala mga pulis, no? So the bikers are quite rowdy, pero okay lang, maganda naman din na. Maganda naman mga bike nila ito pag gumalaw. A closer look. Pero ito, Honda. Mga old schooler, yan. Mga legit na Japanese motorcycle. Welcome to Japan! Alright. Kaya sa Japan no? Sakto lang sila. Ingay, grabe, lakas. They're enjoying themselves. May sounds pa. Good morning. So it's January 4, Saturday. Here in Osaka again, having a coffee. Right now, we will be going to Osaka Aquarium, another attraction here in Japan, Osaka. So it's about less than 10 kilometers away and 20-minute drive. It's near Universal. So I guess we'll be taking another taxi. So, taxi ride tayo ulit for you guys. Another Crown. Yung putik naman yan. Ito yata Comfort eh. I don't know if you guys can see. Waiting for them to go down. I'm in the streets. Really cold. 9 degrees again here in Osaka. Good morning. And there is a beautiful BMW wagon. There. Teka, lapitan natin para mas ma-appreciate nyo. Again, here in Japan, I noticed mas marami ang BMW kaysa sa Benz. Based from my spot. Ganda oh. Boom. With the M Sport package. Meaty tires. And the Mini Cooper S na modelo. Ganda oh. May wagon oh. No? One day I really want to get the wagon. Sakto kasi for me, for my lifestyle, my family. Sakto yung space, sakto yung laki. So I'm eager to get one. A Benz or even a Volvo. So no, para na. Ganda, beautiful wagon. And Lamborghini for this trip. There's a blue one. There, sakto, stoplight. Hope you guys can see. Ganda no? Blue. Yun no? Ingay. Grabe. I think it's all stock. Nice one. Try natin mag-rev. And a wagon. Benz wagon. Ganda oh. AMG package. E55. Nice. Mario Karts. There. Yung mga Mario Karts. There's the Lamborghini. Ayan, green. Mag-go na. Tingnan natin kung mag-rev siya. Come on! Nice. So we will be taking the Uber kasi 5-5 ang passenger. So I'm hoping it's the Toyota Noah again kasi I really like that car. At wala sa atin nun. And it's quite big. So it's like a mini Alphard. Gusto ko yung loob. Comfortable, no? Alphard. Normal dito ang Toyota Alphard. Back sa atin, luxury na yan. Here's a bench for you. Ganda ng mugs, oh. Ito mo yung mugs, kakaiba, oh. With the AMG package. Okay ang bench, oh. Tira natin. Let's take a look. We're waiting for our Uber. Sana Noah. I'm hoping it's a Noah. C200. Nice. C200. Ganda ng mugs. Parang rotiform. Beautiful mugs of the C200. Mitsubishi Delica. Look at that. Kakaiba, no? Weird talaga dito sa Japan. Still waiting for our Uber ride on the streets in Osaka. First Uber, Alphard. Normal lang dito, Alphard. Black. Hybrid. So, our Uber ride. Okay. Foxy. Actually, parang Noah rin. I'll say front. Wala. Stay at the back. Smaller than the Alphard. Mano adjustment. Hindi siya electric. So here is the inside of the boxy. Captain chair. Smaller than the Alphard. Ang ganda rin naman. Parang Noah rin nata. Another name lang. We are in luck. It's the same. Voxy and Noah. Kaibang name lang. So here is Toyota Noah / Voxy for you. Kung gusto mong mas maliit kaysa sa Alphard, go for this one. But wala tayong ganito. This is Japan domestic vehicle. Ito. Speakers na sa taas. Ganda. Bagay sa Philippines to. Dapat maglabas sila ng ganito. Loving the handrails. Yan. Simple, entry level, but it's beautiful. No? Sakto pang family. Ayan. Ilang seater? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 seater. Ano? Are you comfortable there, Pikachu?
Yeah, Pikachu.
Lexus IS350.
Yung malapit sa hotel.
Ito yung controller ng aircon mo.
Isa doon, siguro naka 2,000 yan.
Down. Side vents. Alpine. May TV.
Yung crowd.
May TV siya. And on this side, you get a table. Dito wala. It's not leather, pero okay lang. I don't mind. Gandang kotse to. Sarap pang biyahe. Pero luggage space, if someone's sitting here, maliit lang din. Just like the Alphard, walang luggage space. So kung puro passenger, puro tao, sakto. O kaya engine ito, no? Hybrid siya eh. Very quiet. I like the Noah. Laki na screen. Ayan, we are on eco. Charging. Ganda ng gauge. Nakasuit pa si kuya. Pretty clever. Sabitan ng bag. Tuk. It's the small things that get you. We are on the Skyway in Osaka. It's Saturday, walang kotse. So far, hindi kami na traffic dito eh. Weather is cold. we are near.
Yeah, I see mommy shark. I see a real mommy
Loving
shark.
the Noah or the Vaxi. Sakto pang pamilya talaga.
Because baby shark is small, but they
Ayun, no? May silbi siya. Oh. Sa atin, walang mga ganyan eh. No? Kakatuwa lang. May truck oh, ang linis. Sa atin, kakarag-karag eh. Puro second hand eh. Dito, kahit truck, maganda. So, I'll show you the outside of the car, yung harap. Dito natin nakita. Ayun oh, baba oh, dali bumaba oh. Yan ang maganda sa mga ganito eh. Suit on, ito yung harap oh. Oh, ang ganda naman, di ba? Parang Alphard nga oh. Oh, ganda pa ng logo, blue kasi hybrid. Oh, pati yung mags, Alphard na Alphard. So, ayan. May wing pa. Oh, may wing pa. Diba? Pogi naman eh. Alright, made it here. Here is aquarium for you. May Legoland. There's a huge Ferris wheel. Yan! Bought this burger. Double cheeseburger in Family Mart. Na-curious lang ako. Mukhang masarap eh. Init. Hininit nila. Sarap oh. Check ko lang. So here's the aquarium. There's the aquarium. Here they are. It's actually good. Maliit lang siya. She likes it. Sarap. This is my breakfast. So, while waiting, kasi yung ticket namin, 1 PM pa. We're gonna have lunch here near the place. It's a food hall. Grabe, a massive food hall. So, para mga fast food siya, mamimili ka na lang, no? I think I'm having katsudon. May nakita ako dun later. Puro this one. It's the pork bowl. I haven't had pork. Roast pork. Pwede na siguro to. So, this shop specializes in pork. Puro pork. And they have Gcash. Sarap to. Nakachamba tayo dito. This pork, matamis-tamis.
Parang mahirap naman sa totoo magkamali sa Japan.
Right, made it inside. And papasok na kami. The camera is low on battery. I forgot to charge. So, pakita ko na sa inyo mga facility later. A bit of facility later. Ayun, no? Up close and personal. Ganda ng skin. Laki nga. Gentle Giants. Nice to see one in captivity. It's big. Alright. Solid. Arparma. Laki oh. Dinosaur oh. Ito arawana. Gusto ko rin agad mag-alaga ng ganun. Ganda ng Arparma oh. Oh, ganda. Lalaki. Huge fish. Laki ng catfish oh. Ito yung Arparma talaga oh. Grabe. Morning. So it's our last day. Actually, uwi na kami mamaya. Back to Manila. Today is Tuesday, January 6. Headed back to Manila. Our flight is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I think. So it takes about an hour to get to the airport from Osaka. So ito, another wagon. Toyota. Ito, dito lang ako nakakita. Toyota Fielder. Ayan. Domestic. Ganda, no? Dito sa Japan talaga, ang daming wagon. So I enjoyed my trip. Ang dami natin nakita ng sasakyan. Kompleto. May supercars, may Ferrari, Lamborghini. Ang daming BMW compared sa Benz. May mga old school din ako nakita. May mga JDM tayo nakita. EK9, Type R, FD Type R. May nakita ako. Evos, etc. etc. So complete package. So the best thing that I like talaga, of course, yung Toyota Crown na taxis na sinakyan natin. Iconic rides all over the place. Yung comfort na yan, old school, boxy, comfortable, and yung mga Hapon ang galing mag-maintain ng sasakyan. I'm having my coffee here outside here. It's really cold. Wala na akong jacket dahil nilagay na sa maleta, so tinitiis ko na lang dahil ayoko magbitbit ng jacket sa plane, no? ng winter jacket. So anyway, I love the comfort. Na-miss ko tuloy yung Toyota Crown. Na-miss ko tuloy yung Crown namin. Nakakagana tuloy bumili ulit, no? Mura na lang kasi ngayon yun, 100,000 makakakuha ka. So that's the trip for today. Thanks for watching if you're still there. Car spotting in Osaka. Beautiful place, beautiful cars. Thank you.
Two different levels, I cannot relate.